Now, you need a security camera, and the problem, no Wi-Fi. Well, today, what I have right here is a 355-degree rotation till 90 degrees, 2K, 4G, and the cool thing, yes, 100% wireless. Why? Because you're going to be using a solar panel. So today, I'm going to show you the whole thing. We're going to do the setup super fast. Let's begin right now. How are you doing, everyone? I'm Dario. This is MEDIABOXENT. Well, always we bring you the latest in technology. And today, security camera, pan, tilt and zoom, and 4G. So let's check this out. So 2K, first, like I said, it's going to rotate 355. It's going to do a tilt 90 degrees. We have the lens. Even we can turn LEDs and the infrared. Now, the cool thing with this is we can install a SIM card. So right here, the SIM card. Now we can put up to 128 gigabyte in a micro SD, or we can use the cloud service. If we will want to reset it, because maybe we have a new installation, pretty simple. Turn it on, press down for a few seconds, and automatically reset. Right here we have the on and off switch. I like it. It's just a switch. Press it, and that's it. Turns on. And right here we're going to have the installation of the USB Type-C. Not exactly what we get. So it has a cool color because we can use this as a trail camera. So now we have the solar panel. Remember, this is going to be charging during the day. Has internal batteries. So no matter what, it will always stays on because it gets recharged every day. So if you want to tie this in a pole in a tree, comes with the USB cable. I always recommend charge your camera before you do installation. Let it be for the day. Plug it in right in your computer, some USB, let it charge. And then you put the solar panel. So we have the bracket for the solar panel, the bracket for the camera. So you install this in a tree, on a wall, and it's going to be easy to install the camera. The screws. Now the instructions are pretty simple. We're going to go over, and the application is called Yukon, and is available for Apple and Android. Next. So it does come with the EOT clamp, the SIM card. Now, right below this video, I'm going to leave the link for the EOT clamp. It's an affiliated link, but it has a good plan. That's what I personally use. So we are ready. Pretty simple. We're going to add the camera. We're going to be using 4G. Make sure that with the SIM card. So the way you're going to install the SIM card is this way, and then just use something to push down, and until you hear the click. That's it. Stays there. Now your macro SD card, you can install there, and we are ready to go. So this is turn it on. First is going to be a red light, and then in a blue blinking light. So I'm going to say I'm ready. Soon the blue light come out. I'm going to press next. That's it. Super simple. But I want to show this real time, good resolution, super easy. So let's go for it. Let's go next. So I'm going to scan that. And I see how long this thing takes to get ready. I think almost that's it. And I have to even edit the video. Oh, by the way, we'll show you the location. Since you're going to use the cell tower, you can go and see where the camera is at. It will show you the location.
Camera installed success.
Done. Now, let's go this way. Let's go full. Check this out. All right, so let's test this out. So we can go up, down, left, right, or if we want to zoom in or zoom out, works perfect. Let's bring this down a little bit, and now to the side. Perfect. So if you see, perfect resolution. It's a 4G. Great. It takes no time to get installed. Now, let's go over some of the configuration. Configuration is pretty simple. We can name the device. We can flip the screen. We can use cloud service or use the SIM card. You can use either or both. We have a normal mode. So normal mode will be automatic switch day and night, or we can just leave it night mode. And also activation detection. You can set the time. You can put a schedule on it. It also has an alarm, pretty loud. So if you want to show, it has an alarm too. And recording, you can do 5 seconds, 10 seconds, up to 30 seconds, or continue recording. I always recommend 30 seconds. Remember, this is solar. You're not plug it into a wall. All right, so now about the SIM card. That's what I use all the time in all my cameras and to do the test. Works great. I love the service because it allows you to use different plans. You can do $10 a month, 20, whatever, how much data you're going to be using. And I do recommend this guy. Just grab the link right below this video. Once again, it's an affiliated link. And then you need to buy the camera. So grab the camera right now. Use the link in this video. Once again, I'm Dario. And I'll see you next time. I think I got another cool 4G LTE coming up to show you. And more troll cameras too. I'll see you next time.